The TRENDnet 2.5GBase-T PCIe network adapter, model TG25GCDX, is an impressive solution for anyone looking to enhance their desktop's networking capabilities. This adapter converts a free PCIe 2.0 or later slot into a 2.5G Ethernet port, allowing for significantly faster data transfer speeds compared to standard gigabit connections. With support for 3 speeds, 2.5 gigabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, and 100 megabits per second, this adapter is versatile enough to meet various networking needs, all while using standard Cat5e cables at distances up to 100 meters. One of the standout features of the TG25GCTX is its support for advanced networking protocols, including 802.1q VLAN tagging and jumbo frames. This makes it an excellent choice for users who require efficient data management and enhanced performance in network-heavy environments, such as gaming or video streaming. The adapter is also NDAA and TAA compliant, which is crucial for government customers in the US and Canada, ensuring that it meets specific regulatory standards. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the inclusion of both standard and low-profile brackets, making it compatible with a wide range of desktop designs. The adapter is designed to work seamlessly with Windows operating systems, ensuring that users can easily integrate it into their existing setups without any hassle. In terms of performance, users have reported a noticeable improvement in their network speeds after installing this adapter. Whether you're downloading large files, streaming high-definition content, or engaging in online gaming, the TRENnet 2.5GBase-T delivers reliable and fast connectivity. With a solid rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 500 ratings, it's clear that many users are satisfied with their purchase. At a price point of $21.99, which is a 27% discount from its list price, this adapter offers excellent value for those looking to upgrade their network capabilities without breaking the bank. Overall, the TRENnet 2.5GBase-T PCIe network adapter is a fantastic investment for anyone wanting to future-proof their desktop and enjoy faster, more reliable internet connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.